Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a tree on a chart. We'll explore an easy method to visualize hierarchical data effectively. First, we'll grasp the core idea behind tree charts, which are excellent for displaying relationships like organizational structures or family trees. Then, we'll move straight into preparing your data, ensuring it's perfectly structured for charting. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth process, setting us up for success in the subsequent stages. Get ready to transform your data into a clear, insightful visual representation. To begin, structuring your data correctly is paramount for creating an effective tree chart. You'll need at least two columns, one for the parent and another for the child relationship. For instance, if A is the parent of B, then A goes in the parent column and B in the child column. The root element, which has no parent, will have a blank or null entry in its parent column. Adding a value column can also be beneficial, allowing you to represent additional metrics like size or importance within your chart. Now, let's build the chart itself. With your data properly structured, highlight the entire data range in your spreadsheet program. Go to the Insert tab and look for chart options like Hierarchy or Tree Map. These are specifically designed for displaying tree-like structures. Once selected, the software will generate a preliminary chart. Take a moment to verify that your parent and child relationships are accurately represented. You might need to adjust some settings to ensure the chart clearly illustrates the connections and hierarchy. Finally, it's time to customize and refine your tree chart to make it truly impactful. You can easily change the colors of the nodes and branches to improve visual appeal and differentiate categories. Adjusting the font size and style for labels will ensure all information is legible. Don't forget to give your chart a clear, descriptive title and a helpful legend if needed. Take a final look to ensure there are no overlapping elements or confusing connections, making your tree chart both informative and visually appealing for your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.